What if I told you that your small home doesn't look cheap because it's small? It looks cheap because it looks unfinished. And most of the time, the reason is simple: basic furniture that hasn't been elevated. IKEA furniture is smart, affordable, and practical. But the way most people use it makes their home feel temporary instead of luxurious. The good news? With a few clever upgrades, you can turn simple IKEA pieces into something that looks completely custom and ultra high-end. Let's talk about how designers actually do it. One of the biggest giveaways of budget furniture is flat, plain cabinet doors. They're smooth, simple, and functional, but they lack depth. Luxury interiors always have layers and dimension. A simple trick is adding trim or molding to cabinet doors. Thin wooden panels attached to the front instantly create architectural detail. Once painted in a rich neutral tone, warm grayish, deep beige, muted olive, or matte charcoal, the entire piece transforms. Suddenly, it doesn't look like something assembled in an afternoon. It looks custom-built. Another immediate upgrade is hardware. Default knobs and handles are often the fastest way to recognize budget furniture. Swapping them out completely changes the personality of a piece. Brushed brass adds warmth. Matte black creates contrast. Antique bronze brings depth. Even leather strap handles can introduce texture. Hardware is like jewelry. Even the simplest dresser can feel premium when the details are intentional. Now let's talk about something that instantly elevates small spaces: built-in illusions. Freestanding shelves often make rooms feel cluttered and disconnected. Designers prefer seamless integration. When you place shelves wall to wall, fill small gaps with trim, and paint everything the same color as the wall, the unit suddenly feels permanent. Built-ins always look expensive because they feel intentional. They don't look like furniture, they look like architecture. Small homes benefit from this the most because eliminating visual gaps makes the room feel larger and calmer. Another powerful upgrade is changing furniture legs. Short, chunky legs can make sofas and cabinets look heavy. Swapping them for slim metal legs, taller wooden legs, or brushed brass bases creates air underneath the piece. That negative space makes everything feel lighter and more refined. Height adds elegance. Speaking of elevation, lighting might be the most underrated IKEA hack. Basic lighting can make even good furniture look flat. Designers layer lighting: table lamps, wall sconces, warm bulbs, indirect glows. Even an affordable lamp can look luxurious when paired with a linen shade or placed strategically for soft shadows. Warm lighting always feels expensive. Harsh white lighting almost never does. Now let's talk about paint. Paint is the ultimate luxury equalizer. A simple IKEA bookshelf painted in a deep earthy tone instantly feels designer. When the furniture color blends or intentionally contrasts with the wall color, it creates cohesion. Matching tones make small spaces feel curated instead of random. Luxury spaces are rarely colorful in a chaotic way. They are controlled, layered, and balanced. Another powerful transformation is adding texture. Flat surfaces can feel cheap because they lack variation. Adding wallpaper to the back panel of a shelf, applying wood veneer to cabinet fronts, or incorporating fluted panels creates subtle richness. Texture reflects light differently, and that difference creates depth. Depth equals luxury. Soft furnishings also play a massive role. An IKEA sofa can look completely different depending on styling. Replace basic cushions with structured, neutral-toned pillows in linen, boucle, or velvet. Add a textured throw in a complementary tone. Keep the palette calm. 2 or 3 tones repeated throughout the room instantly feel high-end. Luxury is never loud, it's controlled. Another trick designers use is symmetry. 2 matching lamps. 2 identical chairs. Balanced decor placement. Symmetry feels intentional and organized. In small homes, this makes the biggest difference. Random placement creates visual noise. Balanced placement creates calm. Let's talk about mirrors. Strategically placing a mirror behind a console or above a cabinet amplifies light and makes the space feel larger. When paired with upgraded hardware and warm lighting, even simple furniture reflects elegance. Reflection adds dimension, and dimension feels expensive. Storage also matters more than people think. Visible clutter instantly reduces the luxury effect. Using matching baskets, concealed bins, or coordinated storage boxes keeps everyday items hidden. Out of sight equals visual peace. And here's something important: restraint. Most people overdecorate. They fill every surface. They add too many small items. Luxury interiors always leave breathing space. Clear surfaces. Intentional decor. Purposeful styling. Editing is more powerful than adding. The final transformation secret is cohesion. When furniture color, hardware tone, lighting warmth, and decor palette all feel connected, the entire home feels curated. It doesn't matter if the base furniture is affordable. What matters is consistency. Small homes don't need more items. They need better styling decisions. When you upgrade details, integrate pieces into the space, layer lighting, control color palettes, and simplify decor, even the most basic IKEA setup can feel ultra-luxury. It's not about spending more. It's about designing smarter. If you found this helpful, comment below which hack you're going to try first. And if you want more designer secrets to make your small home look expensive and organized, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching. Stay inspired, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.